Welcome! Today, we're diving into how you can stop X, formerly known as Twitter, from personalizing your experience based on the places you've been right from your PC. This new update makes it simple, but if you've never looked through these settings before, it's easy to miss. Don't worry, I'll walk you through everything step by step. First, open the X app on your computer. Once it loads, look toward the left-hand side of your screen where the main menu sits. You'll see options like Home, Explore, Notifications, and Messages. Scroll down until you find the one labeled More, and click on it. After clicking More, a small menu will pop up. From there, go ahead and select Settings and Privacy. This section is where all of X's preferences and account controls are stored. Next, you'll see a list of categories. Click on the one that says Privacy and Safety. Inside that section, look for an option called Location Information. This is where X handles everything related to your location history, and how it uses that data to personalize what you see. Once you're in Location Information, you'll notice a checkbox beside an item labeled Personalize, based on places you've been. If that box is checked, it means X is currently tracking where you log in from to adjust ads, suggested posts, and even some notifications. To stop that, simply uncheck the box. And that's it. You've just disabled location-based personalization on X. From now on, the app won't use your past login locations to shape what it shows you. You'll still get recommendations and content, but they'll be based on your activity, not your physical location. Taking a moment to tweak these privacy settings helps you stay in control of what data the app uses about you. It's a small change that makes a big difference in protecting your browsing habits and keeping your experience more private. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who might want to take a little more control over their own privacy settings too.